To manage and improve your production process, use the MES solutions, the tools of tomorrow. With Actemium, your plant will be ready for the future. Why? Because MES is a part of Industry 4.0. We help you make the right decisions. We give the right information to the right person at the right moment, coming from all our production plants. You are connected to your plants, so you are able to drive your plants efficiently. We design the best solutions that will fit our customers' needs with success to assure the best production optimization with the right methodology to improve your production capability. We are part of the Vinci Energy Group with a strong international network. The great Actemium experience gives us a global vision with a local approach for all market segments. Actemium, ready for tomorrow.